Hey, hello there. Welcome back. Rod Harter with Retirement Power for Seniors. Come on in. Hey, I want to talk to you today about something that can benefit you, especially if you have anxiety or suffer from depression. And traditionally, doctors prescribe over-the-counter drugs or prescription drugs for those sort of things. However, there is a new study from a scientific group that says now people are getting benefits. They're finding that just gardening, just an hour or two a week in a garden, can accomplish more or as much as prescription drugs. Imagine that. So if you've ever thought about gardening and you have anxiety, or even if you don't, take a look at this. The blog post goes into it a little deeper, and I talk about it a lot more on the podcast. So the links will be below, and I wish you'd look into them, especially if you have, those type of issues. But even if you don't, I love gardening. My mom taught me how to do it because she was what her husband used to call her, a dirt digger. But there are many benefits, and if you Google the subject, you'll find what I'm saying to be true. So I'll let you go, check it out, and we'll talk soon. Bye-bye. Oh, do me a favor, subscribe. That way, the next time I do one of these, you'll get a message, and you'll know every time I do a new podcast or a YouTube video or a blog post. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.